In front of me is ZTE Blade A73, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Theme section at the top. If you can't see it, select those three dots instead. Hit Got It and tap on Theme over here. Now to change it, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available options. Now tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and select Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of mine has changed. To customize it though, go into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!